Identifying impacted hair follicles in your dog can be tricky, as the symptoms may overlap with other skin conditions. Impacted hair follicles, also known as follicular plugging or comedones, occur when hair follicles become clogged with oil, dirt, or dead skin cells. Here's how to identify if your dog might have this issue. Signs and symptoms of impacted hair. Follicles in dogs' bumps or lumps on the skin. Small, raised bumps, like blackheads or pimples, may be visible on the skin. These are often most noticeable in areas with less hair, such as the belly or inner thighs. Blackheads or dark spots. You may see tiny black dots, comedones, on the skin, which are clogged pores filled with oil and debris. Redness or inflammation. The affected area may appear red, irritated, or swollen, especially if the follicles become infected. Hair loss or thinning. Impacted follicles can lead to hair loss in the affected area, as the hair may not grow properly. Itching or discomfort. Your dog may scratch, lick, or bite at the area due to irritation or discomfort. Oily or flaky skin. The skin may appear greasy or have flaky, dry patches, depending on the underlying cause. Secondary infections. If bacteria enter the clogged follicles, it can lead to pustules, abscesses, or a more severe skin infection, folliculitis. Common areas. Affected belly and groin. These areas are often less hairy and more prone to clogged follicles. Chin and muzzle. Dogs with acne may develop impacted follicles in these areas. Back and tail base, especially in breeds prone to skin issues. Causes of impacted hair follicles. Poor grooming. Lack of regular brushing or bathing can lead to buildup of oils and debris. Allergies. Environmental or food allergies can cause skin irritation and clogged follicles. Hormonal imbalances. Conditions like hypothyroidism or Cushing's disease can affect the skin. Breed predisposition. Some breeds like bulldogs, boxers, and dachshunds are more prone to skin issues. Friction or pressure. Constant rubbing from collars, harnesses, or lying on hard surfaces can contribute. What to do if you suspect impacted hair follicles? Examine the skin. Gently part your dog's fur and inspect the skin for bumps, blackheads, or redness. Consult your veterinarian. If you notice any of the above symptoms, it's best to have your vet examine your dog. They can rule out other conditions like mange, fungal infections, or allergies. Follow treatment recommendations. Your vet may recommend medicated shampoos, topical treatments, or antibiotics if there's an infection. In some cases, they may manually remove the impacted material. Improve grooming habits. Regular brushing and bathing with a gentle, dog-specific shampoo can help prevent clogged follicles. Address underlying causes. If allergies or hormonal issues are contributing, your vet may suggest dietary changes, allergy testing, or medications. Prevention tips. Brush your dog regularly to remove dead hair and distribute natural oils. Bathe your dog with a mild shampoo, appropriate for their skin type. Keep your dog's bedding and living areas clean. Avoid using harsh chemicals or human skincare products on your dog. If you're unsure about your dog's condition, always consult your veterinarian for a proper diagnosis and treatment plan. Here's the rewritten version in American English. How to tell if your dog has impacted hair follicles. Figuring out if your dog has impacted hair follicles can be a bit tricky because the signs can look like other skin problems. Impacted hair follicles, also called follicular plugging or comedones, happen when hair follicles get clogged with oil, dirt, or dead skin cells. Here's how to spot if your dog might be dealing with this issue. Signs and symptoms of impacted hair follicles. In dogs' bumps or lumps on the skin, you might notice small raised bumps like blackheads or pimples on your dog's skin. These are often easier to see in areas with less fur, like the belly or inner thighs. Blackheads or dark spots, tiny black dots, comedones, might show up on the skin. These are clogged pores filled with oil and gunk. Redness or swelling. The area might look red, irritated, or swollen, especially if the follicles get infected. Hair loss or thinning. Impacted follicles can cause hair to fall out or not grow back properly in that spot. Itching or discomfort. Your dog might scratch, lick, or bite at the area because it's itchy or uncomfortable. Oily or flaky skin. The skin might look greasy or have dry, flaky patches, depending on what's causing the problem. Infections. If bacteria get into the clogged follicles, it can lead to pus-filled bumps, sores, or a more serious skin infection, folliculitis. Common areas affected belly and groin. These spots often have less fur and are more likely to get clogged follicles. Chin and muzzle. Dogs with acne might get impacted follicles here. Back and